Hi there, we're going to do a design based off of the Seed of Life, and I kind of saw this pattern when I was doing another video, and the beginning steps are a little bit like it. So we want to be able to go maybe 3 lengths with our compass. So the first thing you want to do always is find the center of your paper by using a ruler. To give you an example of how wide my compass is, it's about 3 centimeters, maybe a teeny bit more. So we're going to start by making a circle, as we always do, and we're going to go on the top of the circle with the point of our compass, and we're going to draw a circle. Where the two meet, we're going to draw another circle. Those of you familiar with the Seed of Life know you're going to do this 6 times. Here where it meets, we're going to put our compass. Again, here where it meets, we're going to put our compass. And then here where it meets, and lastly here. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to line up our ruler through these small seeds, and we're going to draw a line going through them. So I'll set up my ruler. I like to put my pencil down, then line up my ruler just to make sure it's more accurate. And draw a line. Then I can turn my paper and do that 2 more times. Here and here. Now we're going to then use our ruler, and we really could use any amount. I'm going to use 1/2 centimeters, and I'm going to go every 1/2 centimeters starting from the top of this seed. I'm going to make a mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to go 5 times. 5. Maybe I'll go down as well. I'll go 1, 2, might as well do 3 just in case we can use it. So we have 1/2 centimeter markings along that line. To recreate that on the other lines, we could use our compass, or we could use our ruler like we just did. But I'm going to use the compass and find the spot, and I'm going to swing it here, 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 and here to find the same spot. I'm going to go up to the second and do the same thing. And I'm going to do that all 5 times. Or like we said, we could use our ruler and measure 1/2 centimeter, 1/2 centimeter. Whatever you feel comfortable or more convenient doing. And now I'm going to go to the inner ones and repeat that process. So now we have our markings done. We're going to take our pen now. So now that we have things set up, we're going to put our pen into our compass. or colored pencil or marker or whatever you're going to use. And we want to adjust it to make sure, as always, our compass and our point are the same size about. And here's what our plan is going to be. We'll start with one of the circles we made. We'll go to the center here of that circle. And we're going to always in each of these line up to the top of these little seeds here. We're always going to line up the compass there. And we're going to swing it around. And we're going to go around to the top of the other seed here, and we stop. So I'm going to go around and do that for each of these. Now for the next layer, and for each of the layers afterward, we're going to do the same thing. So let's say we go back and we're going to go inward afterwards. So let's go here to the first marking, and we're going to adjust the compass so that it touches the top of the seed. So we're going to do that. Always we will adjust our pen or pencil to the top of the seed and go around. So that alone I think looks kind of cool. We're going to continue. We're going to go to the second one, line it up, and we'll go as far as we want outward, and then if we want we can go in. So let's go in one just for the heck of it. So I'm going to go in one space, and again I always line it up to the seed here. So now I'm going to go to the second one here, and again line it up to your seed. So if I wanted to keep going outward, I can continue. So I believe we did the first space. So let's go back to the second space, line it up.
So now we're going to go to the third one up. And again, you can go as far outward as you want, or as far as your paper will let you.
Now, if we want to go inward, we can go a little bit more inward. I could always line up my centimeter ruler, and I can go in another centimeter here, another half centimeter, centimeter here, another half centimeter here. So you can go in or out as far as your paper will let you. And hopefully you play around with it and come up with a cool design. So I'm going to do one more layer on the inside. I'll start with this one. So we could leave it like this and have this cool design. If we really want to, we can go on and make the seed in the center